Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a post that you have posted on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the feed button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on global, and here you can find your post that you have posted, or you can either go to your profile and then search for your post. If you would like to delete it, all you have to do is clicking on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of that section. After that, click on the delete button, which is the second one, and if you are sure that you want to get rid of this post, tap on the delete button again and it will be removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.